Hey guys, so this is instructions on how to make a video in Canvas. So rather than going to some outside site like Flipgrid or any other site, we're going to learn how to do it directly in Canvas because this will save us time and learning curve time. So this is what your assignment looks like, okay? And you just need to answer these 4 questions in your video. You're going to introduce yourself by saying your name and what you want to be called in class. You're going to tell me why you decided to take AP Psychology, kind of what you hope to get out of it. Sometimes it can take a couple months to get to know each student individually. And I like to find out if there's something that you want me to know about yourself right away. So it could be something about how you learn, about anxiety. It could be something like, I don't know, something going on at home. But just, give me a clue as to something that you might want me to know. And then finally, what's your favorite month of the year and why? So you're going to click. I'll get a pen here. You're going to click right here, start assignment, and that will take you right to the video. So you're going to click again. You're going to click this record and upload media. So let's click it and see what it looks like. You have 2 choices. Oh, hi, everybody. You can start recording. You can also do upload a video if you want to take it on a different form. But I think that this is probably the easiest way to do it. So I would say just stick with Canvas and make it short and sweet. And I look forward to seeing your answers. Thanks, guys.